Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna take you to the mighty Niagara Falls. As you all know, the Niagara Falls is in the New York State and it is one of the most famous waterfalls in the world. Straddling between the borders of United States and Canada, the Niagara Falls has been one of the most important tourist destinations for the past 200 years, and it is also the major source of hydroelectric power in the world. Here we are on the Maid of the Mist to witness the historical ride of half an hour into the mist. As you move ahead, the water rushes all around you and you soak in the excitement and explore the roar of the falls. It is indeed a thrill of a lifetime. The Maid of the Mist boats will take you from the docks past the American Falls, then into the basin of the magnificent Canadian Horseshoe Falls. Did you just hear the roaring sound? Trust me, the sound is 100 times more when you're right there in front of the falls. Standing in front of the falls, I was so thrilled and excited that it made me forget everything else around me. Honestly, it's an out-of-the-world experience to see the Niagara Falls in person. The Maid of the Mist boats operates from late April to early November each year, and the boats depart every 15 minutes. A recyclable souvenir raincoat is provided with the admission to help you keep dry from the mist and spray. And at the end, you can also visit the Maid of the Mist gift shop. This is the view of the Niagara Falls from the top, with Canada on the right and US on the left. The bridge that you see right in front of you is the Whirlpool Rapids Bridge, or the Lower Steel Arch Bridge. It crosses the international borders between Canada and United States, connecting the commercial downtown districts of Niagara Falls, Ontario and Niagara Falls, New York. Our next adventure was the Cave of the Winds. Here we did some fun activities too. This giant screen showed what Niagara Falls looked like in the past and what it looks like now. The Cave of the Winds took us so close to the Niagara Falls than we could have ever imagined. We had to ride an elevator that was about 175 feet deep into the Niagara Falls. We were all provided with this bright yellow poncho and a special footwear that we had to wear while climbing up the walkway of the wooden stairs to the famous Hutricane deck. As we stood at the railing, we were just about 20 feet away from the Bridal Veil Falls. Also, there is a deck that has been built 150 feet from the base of the fall, specially designed for adults with children in their arms. Here we are, jumping and dancing like kids as the rushing water above us falls on our face. I must say, for me, it was an experience of a lifetime to witness the falls so close and to be under it and enjoy the mist. If you think the falls put on a show only during the day, then you got to wait until you see the Niagara Falls at night. The illuminations at night transform the water into a glowing cascade of colors. The colorful display of lights on the Niagara River can be seen all throughout 365 nights a year. That is the view of Canada from the American side. One most commonly asked question is whether the Niagara belongs to Canada or the US. Though the Canadian side boasts the biggest waterfall, America claims to have two separate waterfalls, the American Falls and the Bridal Veil Falls. Visitors from the American side can see all the three waterfalls connected by the Niagara River. At night, the illuminations make Niagara look so gorgeous that you got to see it to believe me. The roaring sound of the falls and the illuminations together make this entire place so hypnotic. I could just keep on standing there for hours enjoying the view in front of me. So if somebody asks me whether I want to visit Niagara Falls again, oh yes, I want to visit this place again and again and again, as long as I keep on getting the opportunities to. I mean, what is there not to like about this place? This place is just so amazing. I am so overwhelmed by my entire experience of visiting the Niagara Falls. The beauty of Niagara Falls doesn't seem to have an end to it. Next in line comes the amazing fireworks display. The prolonged display of fireworks is yet another breathtaking sight. As they say, all's well that ends well, getting to see the fireworks was a bonus. The lightened sky gave a perfect ending to our Niagara trip. If you like my video, do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.